Welcome to this tutorial on how to link TradingView with your broker. TradingView is a powerful charting platform that allows you to track market trends and execute trades. By connecting your broker to TradingView, you can manage your trades directly from the platform, enhancing your trading experience. In this video, we will go step by step through the process of linking your TradingView account with your brokerage account. First, you will need to create a TradingView account if you don't already have one. Go to the TradingView website and sign up. Once your account is set up and you are logged in, navigate to the lower left side of the screen where you will find the Trading Panel tab. Click on this tab to reveal the list of supported brokers. Here, you will see a variety of popular brokers. Choose the one you have an account with. After you select your broker, click on the Connect button. This action will typically open a new window prompting you to enter your brokerage credentials. Make sure to input your username and password accurately. Some brokers may require additional verification steps, such as a two-factor authentication, so be prepared to complete that if necessary. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation that your broker is now linked to your TradingView account. Now that your accounts are connected, you can start using TradingView for your trading activities. You will have access to your brokerage account from the trading panel, allowing you to place trades, monitor your portfolio, and analyze market data without having to leave the TradingView platform. Remember to familiarize yourself with the interface to make the most out of your trading experience. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!